Do you want to know how you can use OpenAI Playground, which is a subsidiary of ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use OpenAI Playground. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for OpenAI Playground. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Playground, also known as OpenAI Playground. You can see on the left hand side is your menu, on the right hand side is your workspace. And you can write your notes over here, which is called user, and you can also add messages. And you can see you can alter between user and assistant. You can write down what is necessary for you, click submit, and then if your plan is active, you can see that your search is now running. You can see there are options like playground, chat, assistants. So you can go ahead and click your assistants for yourself. So we can go and search for your threads over here. So go ahead and click run if you want. So after you click run, your assistants will load. So if you want to go ahead and click create, go ahead and click create, which is over here, and you can browse this. You can see there are lots of functionalities on Playground AI. You can also see that there is something like compare, so you can compare two things. You can also compare between the chat GPT's function like Turbo 16K, Turbo 0125 and GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can differentiate between these, and if you go to completion, you can see some of the completion modes. So if you go to assistant, you can see you can create assistant API for yourself. There are options like fine-tuning, batches, storage, uses, API keys, settings, and docs. You can go ahead and browse these and use Playground for yourself today. This was a video on how you can use OpenAI Playground. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.